Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. I always like to clean out or declutter the fridge each week before I go grocery shopping, because that is when there is the least amount of food in there. I can get an idea of what food needs to be used soon and find recipes to use it up. I can also get an idea of what I need to buy for the next week. I divided the refrigerator into two parts. Today's video is part 1 of a 10-minute declutter on the refrigerator. Part 2 will be on the refrigerator door. You can choose the way you want to do your fridge, and maybe one shelf is enough for you for a 10-minute declutter. There's no right or wrong way to do it. You make it work for you. One way is to do one shelf at a time. Or you can take everything out, categorize it, and put it back in an organized way. I did one shelf by itself first, and then I did the other 3 shelves since things were mixed up on those other 3 shelves. Then I did the fruit drawer by itself and the veggie drawer by itself. As usual, I take everything out of the area I am working on. Then I relocate things that are in the wrong place. And I get rid of things that are expired or rotten. I wipe out the drawer or shelf and put things back in an organized way. Since I'm not the only one in the house, it's easy for things to be taken off one shelf and put back on another. To me, that isn't a big deal, and by my cleaning and organizing the fridge on a weekly basis, it works out just fine. Find an area in your home. It could be a drawer, a shelf, or some small space. Set the timer for 10 minutes and see what you can get done. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.